Panel 33, AI Scholarship and Projects at WVU. The Sounds of Silence, Captioning in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Nicole Fuller, WVU Captioner. Image description includes, at left, a photo depiction of a Caucasian human speaking into a microphone with dark short hair and glasses and a black t-shirt. On the right is a image with white background and two squares and two sides that both have text. In the middle is a depiction of a YouTube video. On the left in the square it says Human Captioner, 73 words, 0 errors, 100% accuracy. Under that it reads, instead of continuing my Jewish kvetching about it, I decided that I was going to make my best attempt to create a blog where I review restaurants, not only on food and service, but accessibility. And to give you a little bit more about myself, I'm a special education teacher by day, so I have a little familiarity due to that with the ADA. And also IDEA, the laws that govern special education. On the right in the square it reads, Auto Captioner, 73 words, 14 errors, 81% accuracy, and under that it reads, instead of continuing my huge fetching about it, I decided that I was going to make my best attempt to create a blog where I review restaurants not only on food and service, but accessibility. And to give you a little bit more about myself, I'm a special education teacher by day, so I have a little familiar. I already do that with ADA and also IDEA, the laws, the government sexual education. The image source. Image is from Captions, Human versus Artificial Intelligence, Who Wins? From Equal Entry, July 6, 2022. Text language reads, with the advent of auto-captioning and artificial intelligence, many people believe that computers can now replace or augment the captions and live transcriptions performed by its human counterparts. Research has shown that auto-captions and AI are not only inadequate, but are often woefully ill-prepared to meet the needs of the deaf and hard-of-hearing communities, to quote ChatGPT itself. Auto-captions and AI frequently mishear words, leading to confusion, misrepresentation, and what has been termed word salad. These computer-generated services also leave out information such as nuance, tone, background noise, and music, which is vital to our understanding. Communication is an important part of the artistic and non-artistic experience alike. As a member of West Virginia University's Office of Student Accommodations, my colleagues and I have long understood that advancing AI technology cannot keep up with the standards necessary for closed captions and live transcriptions. The text is written by human Nicole Fuller.